It's already better than yesterday.
Where's the other one?
Oh, there's the 4. There's the 4.
Are they coming back?
We're probably going to come over the Mathers.
Are the other 4 coming around this way?
Yeah, when I saw them, they were going around the stadium.
Oh.
Then the other one's looping around the stadium the other way.
Yeah, they're low. Wow. They're low. They're real low. They're behind the buildings.
I'm waiting for the 5th one just to come screaming past. Yeah, there's the one. I don't know if you can see them.
On the other side of the building here?
Yeah. The other one's going to come straight over this. There they are.
Coming down here?
What? They usually do.
Oh yeah, because remember he was coming around there. So he's going to come from behind the building.
Here it comes, right now. So we'll bring another one past?
Yeah. So you stand behind me.
There's 4 right there.
Then they're going to come back around again like they did the other time, and the ones are going to come, and they're all going to meet up and doing their formation of 6. Because the 2 went that way.
Here's one right here. Gonna be another one coming back this way.
We'll keep the camera on the Mathers.
Here it is. Upside down again.
There's the other one. He's up by the rock hall. There are the 4. All of them doing a barrel roll, same time.
No.
Listen, they were that close. You feel that?
Feel the vapor.
Yeah.
I'm not recording you, Maddie. Don't worry. They can't see you, and they can now they can see your hand. Oh, Mom.
Because you got a fun family.
Yeah, we do, but I'm sure you probably don't want to be shown on camera.
No. A hand's fine.
I'm just gonna record the Cleveland Mather thingy bobby.
They're here, Louie. Look over by the Fifth Third Bank building. See them?
Oh yeah, there they are.
You don't have to yell. You could still be heard right now. Alright. Give it another couple seconds and
Just-
you're not going to be able to be heard at all.
Just your hair.
There's two.
Oh, one upside down. There's the landing gear, Lou.
I love how all you guys are standing behind me. Well, not for much longer. I'm trying to get around you.
Wait until I come through there.
Picture?
They're
Video?
going to be coming right along the building like they always do.
Yeah, I'm waiting to see the other two come across.
They're all going to be coming across, Louie.
Yeah, because of the gas.
Yep.
Oh, they're
Just
both-
keep it there.
both there.
Holy moly, they're
They're all going to be coming.
and they are going fast. They are flying.
Yeah, that's it.
That's one big seagull.
If that lady whistles one more time, I swear to God, I'm going to fucking shove her fingers in her ass.
There's one over there
Jesus, Mom.
behind the building.
Now everybody in the world will know where Louie gets his mother. She'll be able to whistle out of her
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Look at this. Straight up, straight up.
You're playing.
Oh, wait, there.
I can't. No one can see.
Where'd they go? Oh, there it is. No, he's part of security. He was here yesterday with Bob.
Yeah.
Where'd Bob the policeman go? Bob the sheriff.
He left.
Sheriff Bob? Is he really a sheriff? Yeah.
Yeah, it says on his uniform. They're back behind the Mathers. Or the
Deputy
Mathers.
sheriff, yeah.
Let's blow up the boat. Let's get it the hell out of our way.
Seriously, if the boat wasn't here, we'd have such a better picture.
I know.
Or if we were on it.
Let's try to.
Who knows? Maybe they will.
Maybe we should put like an ultimate lift kit on the
There they
Lariat.
are.
Louis.
Two upside down and two regular.
We're back behind there. Oh, I'm recording a seagull. Okay.
There's two right there going
Out towards the lake.
Get a boat one of these years.
Oh, sorry.
What, man?
If you get a boat one of these years.
Sure.
Thompson.
I get seasick.
No,
Turn over here. Turn over here. Come on.
I bet you
Come
they
this way.
Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes.
One's gonna go right out. He's gonna make the turn sharp.
because I bet you they see
It's just awesome. Even no wind turn.
You know there's another one coming back this other way.
Yeah, it's right there, isn't it? No, that's the
Stupid
Here it
bird.
is.
Oh, there it is. I was close enough.